Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a beautiful professional photographer site on Squarespace, even if you've never made a website before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working portfolio website that really highlights your photos, helps you attract clients, and lets you showcase your creative style. So let's dive in and walk through the whole process step by step. First things first, once you've logged into your Squarespace account, you'll land on the account dashboard. This is kind of like a command center for all your Squarespace projects. Here, you'll see a clear button that says Create Website. Go ahead and click that. This is the very first step toward building your online portfolio, so it's a pretty exciting moment. Don't worry if there are a lot of options. You'll be guided through them one at a time. Next, you'll be asked to pick a site topic. Think of this as narrowing down the focus of your website. Since we're making a photographer site, obviously select photographer as your topic. This is more than just a label. Squarespace uses this info to suggest layouts, tools, and even templates tailored for photographers. So by choosing the most relevant topic, you'll set yourself up for smoother building later on. When you click Next, Squarespace will ask you, what do you want to do with your website? Now, this question is important because the way you answer will influence which features and design suggestions you'll see. Do you want people to book you, view your portfolio, maybe buy prints? Choose the option that matches your goals closest. If you're unsure or plan to do a mix, don't stress. You can adjust things as you go, and Squarespace makes it easy to expand later. Hit Next again. And now it's time for the fun part, the creative choices. Squarespace will ask, how would you like to start building your website? For most photographers, the easiest route is to select templates. Templates are like ready-made skeletons for your site, giving you a beautiful starting structure that's super customizable. Don't feel boxed in. You can make changes to layouts, colors, and images whenever you like. Browse through the photography-focused templates. You'll notice some are minimal and modern, while others are more bold and dynamic. Pick one that feels right for your style. Imagine your photos sitting inside those sample blocks. After you pick your template, you'll get to choose your color palette. Color is powerful. A palette sets the mood for your visitors. For example, you might pick light and airy tones for wedding photography or dramatic darks for moody portraits. Squarespace will offer some palettes to inspire you. Pick one, and again, don't worry, you can always tweak these later. Then it's on to fonts. Fonts might seem small, but they really matter. They affect how people perceive your brand. Go for something clean if you want your photos to speak for themselves, or maybe a more artistic typeface if you're all about personality. Take a moment to preview different options and see what makes your name and menu items pop. With all the basics set, you'll land in the editor. And this is where the real magic happens. Now is your chance to add sections. Think photo galleries, a simple bio about yourself, maybe testimonials from happy clients, or even a contact form. Drag and drop, experiment, and don't be afraid to play around. Customization is where your creativity shines and where your site becomes uniquely yours. Once you've arranged your images and text the way you like, take a moment to save your work. Squarespace lets you preview your site before pushing it live, so go ahead and click Preview. This is your opportunity to see your site how visitors will. Maybe step away for a minute and come back with fresh eyes. Remember, it's normal to make tweaks and adjustments at this stage. And that's it. You've just laid the foundation for a stunning photographer site on Squarespace. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your site, drop a comment below. I love seeing what you create. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and get out there and show your work to the world.